In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a square to a design on Visme. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just dipping your toes into the world of visual content creation, these steps will help you add that perfect square to enhance your project. So, let's dive right in. To start off, you'll want to open the project you're working on within Visme. This means you'll need to go into your Visme editor. If you haven't already logged into your Visme account, now is the time to do so. Once you're in, locate and open the design project where you want to add your square. It's important to begin in the correct project to ensure all changes are made in the right place. Now that you have your project open, let's move on to the next step. Look to the left side of your screen and focus on the sidebar. Here, you'll see a tab labeled Graphics. You'll want to click on this to access the various graphic options that Visme offers. Once you're in the Graphics tab, you'll notice several categories. What you're looking for next is either the Lines and Shapes section or the Basic Shapes category. These sections house all the different shapes you can use in your design, and yes, this includes our main feature today, the square. Within these sections, scan through for the square or rectangle shape. Visme provides a range of shapes, but for today's purpose, we're focusing on squares. When you find the shape, you have a couple of options. You can click on it to select, or if you're feeling a bit more interactive, simply drag it straight onto your canvas. Either way works fine, so just pick whichever method suits you best. Once your square is on the canvas, the fun part begins, customizing it. You'll notice blue handles around your selected shape, and these are your tools for resizing. By dragging these handles, you can adjust the square to meet your specific size requirements. Additionally, to get into more detailed customization, head over to the Properties or Format panel. Here, you're able to change the fill color, which affects the inside of the square, and also adjust the border or stroke color and thickness according to your design's needs. There's a handy feature, often noted as a lock proportions toggle, that helps maintain equal width and height, allowing you to create a perfect square effortlessly. Once you're happy with the size and format, position your square by dragging it to your desired location on the canvas. Visme is equipped with alignment guides and snap-to-object or grid tools, making it easy to align your square perfectly with other elements in your design. There you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added and customized a square in your Visme design with precision and ease. Thanks for joining me, and happy designing!